Namaste, my name is Aarushi Neupane. Today I am going to talk about division in this grid with the help of this counter. In this chart paper you can see we have 11 columns and 10 rows. So my first question is 24 divided by 8. 24 is the dividend and 8 is the divisor. So let's start. First I need 24 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 24. So I need to put this 24 counters in 8 columns. Why not more than 8? Because 8 is the divisor. Now I'll start putting the counters in 8 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So we have filled 3 columns. For this question, the answer is 3 and the remainder is 0 because there is no left out in other columns. Now, we also know 8 3 equals to 24. Now let's go to another question. The another question is 37 divided with 7. So I need 37 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Now I need to put this 37 counters in 7 rows. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 7, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. So the answer is 5 because we have filled 5 columns. And remainder is 2 because we didn't fill 1 row. The question is 5 and the remainder is 2. We all know that 7 times 5 are 35 and plus 2 equals to 37. I hope you learned something from my video. Like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.